Hello family, prepper mode. I am doing some candle making. Just a note on the candle making, you shouldn't be burning anything that can be toxic in your home. So whenever I burn candles, I use beeswax, I use bacon grease, I use Crisco. Today, and I also use like Himalayan salt candles. You have to think about everything from a toxicology type standpoint. Uh, so here's the beeswax that I'm using. Got it from Etsy. Uh, Regular old Crisco. There we go. Crisco shortening. Don't know if I got the beeswax. Let me show you guys again the beeswax. Here's the beeswax right here. Got the beeswax from Etsy, and also some bacon grease. Might be some other grease in here too. It's food grade, so you can use it. Um, Basically, I got a pot of boiling water. Well, it's heating up. It'll start boiling soon. So here we go. Just a little basic mix. I got a spoon here. I had that prepared already. So I'm gonna put a little bacon grease in here. Put some shortening. Put quite a bit of shortening because I got like 3 candles. Slow this fire down too. And then I want to be the beeswax is a little pricey, so kind of be a little sparing with the beeswax. And you just melt it down to liquid form. See, I think I got a wood. Kind of want to use wood for this if you can, to stir it up. It's something that can be sacrificed. Just melt it down. I might add a little bit more shortening. Just get the mix right. Key is you want to have it to where you can pour it. If you got too much like bacon grease and all, on a real hot day, if your house isn't climate controlled, you know, it'll melt back down. This is the end result. I'll take this and I'll pour it in my candle holders. Alright, I use a couple toothpicks. Use a couple toothpicks just to kind of hold my wick in place. There's also a method too for treating the wicks. I'll go over that a little bit later. So you can soak your wick in salt water, but this time I'm gonna just dip it in vinegar. It makes your candle burn longer. Instead of burning out so fast, it kind of stabilizes your fire as well. You notice that I also use toothpicks as well to kind of hold it in place. Whatever suits your fanny, just as long as you keep the candle. And then I'll cut it, a reasonable amount above the wax once it settles in place. But I'll let that sit and harden up. That's pretty much it. If the lights go out, you guys are good to go. Don't want to rely on electricity to always be available. Just one of those things. And you got candles. That's your light. You guys have fun. Enjoy the rest of your day or rest of your night, wherever you're at.